Welcome to the Impact Radio Accessories Learning Resources playlist. Today we will be showing the different options to choose from for the Snap-Tight Gold earpieces. This video features our Gold 2-wire surveillance kit, but these Snap-Tight earpieces are also available for our Gold 1-wire surveillance kits and Gold Listen-Only accessories. Our unique Snap-Tight feature allows users to select from 12 different and fully interchangeable earpiece options, creating the most cost-effective, versatile, and hygienic solution on the market. Millions of units are already used by thousands of hotels, resorts, security, and retail organizations worldwide. First, our most popular earpiece is our Acoustic Tube 2. It includes an additional collar clip and has a coil section for additional length and cord management. It can be worn comfortably on the left or right ear. The AT4 is a low-profile, short, straight acoustic tube with a high-quality covert transducer. It can be worn on the right or left ear. The AT6 acoustic tube is a cost-effective, clear-coiled acoustic tube with a clear earbud. It can be worn with the right or left ears, and it includes an additional collar clip. The D1 earpiece is a large on-the-ear speaker with a fully adjustable soft rubber ear loop to be worn on the right or left ear. It also features a high brass transducer for enhanced audio quality. The D2 earpiece is a large on-the-ear speaker with soft rubber. It has a D-shaped ear loop and can be worn on the right or left ear. It's one of our more popular earpiece options because of its economical price and because it fits more securely around the ear. Our top-selling ear hook, the EH1 earpiece, is a small, on-the-ear speaker with a soft rubber ear hook and can be worn on the right or left ear. There is also an option available for an earpiece with volume control, which is the EH1 VC. The EH5 is an OEM-style swivel ear hook that can be used on both the right and left ears. It is compact and has an ergonomic design for increased comfort. The EH3 earpiece is a large on-the-ear speaker with a soft, adjustable rubber ear hook that can be worn on the right or left ear. The EH4 is an OEM-style earpiece with a direct in-ear earbud and a plastic ear hook. It features a brass transducer and can be worn on the right or left ear. The EH2 earpiece is a small, on-the-ear speaker with an adjustable semi-custom plastic ear hook. It can be worn on the right or left ear. Finally, we have the EB1 earpiece. It is a small, in-the-ear speaker with a replaceable hygienic foam cover that can be worn in the right or left ear. Ready to purchase? Contact our expert sales team. Otherwise, you can visit our how-to playlist for more tutorials. Thank you.